Alrighty, so ready for our third example on concentrations. So number 3 now, okay? If you need to make 1.2 liters of a 2.3 molar glucose solution, how many grams of glucose would you need? Okay, so first let's extract this information, okay? Our solute solution in concentration. So first, let's get our concentration, which is the easiest to get. You get this unit of concentration, which is molar. So the concentration is 2.3 molar, okay? Then you get your solute. So what is going to be your solute here? You have two options, okay? You have glucose or you have solution, all right? So if they are asking you for grams of glucose, okay, then that means that they are giving you the liters of solution. So here, just read this part here. 1.2 liters of, okay, imagine this is not here, solution, okay? This is just describing the solution that you have. So this 1.2 is referring directly to the solution, which is 1.2 liters of solution. So that means that the solute is the glucose, which are the grams of glucose that they are asking you glucose to get. Okay, very good. So you have the information organized. Very nice. Now it's time to unveil those hidden truths, which means transform this to the units that they are referring to. So if it's 2.3 molar, okay, remember that our molar concentration is moles over 1 liter. So it means that you have 2.3 moles of your solute, which is glucose. Solute is always on the top, okay? Okay, over or for every 1 liter of solution. Okay, so we did not use the numbers over here. Okay, just the descriptors here. So what this means is that you need to get your solute to moles and your solution to liters. Okay, luckily here the solution is already in liters. So we need to get those grams of glucose out. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll have to get those grams of glucose. So we have liters of solution. So that means we don't have to make any conversions. We can just set it up. Liters of solution. Okay. And then you use your concentration, which is your conversion factor. Okay. And you put the number or the thing you need to cancel on the bottom. So 1 liter of solution. And on the top, 2.3 moles of glucose. Very nice. So that is going to allow us to cancel this. Okay, so we're left with moles of glucose. Is that how they are asking that glucose? No, they're asking it in grams. Okay, so we're going to make those moles into grams using molar mass, which is getting the numbers, okay, the mass numbers from the periodic table, the weight, adding them up, okay, and then making sure we know that what the weight of 1 mole of glucose is. So 1 mole of glucose, okay, it's going to weight 180 grams of glucose. Alrighty, so we're going to cancel this out. Cancel this out. Okay, so you end up with grams of glucose. Remember, this is the molar mass from the periodic table. Okay, so here in this case we googled it, okay, and we got that it's 180 grams of glucose. All right, so here we go. You can get the addition and it's going to be exactly the same. So you just multiply everything on the top. Okay, so that means you're going to multiply 1.2 times 2.3 times 180. Okay, and then everything on the bottom, there's nothing but 1. Okay, so our answer is going to be 1.2 times 2.3 times 180 which is going to be 496.8 grams of glucose. All right, and that is already in the units we need.